The choir are now going to sing "It Is Time to Praise the Lord." This piece was written by the Reverend William Bill Trewin in 1988. He was a minister at Noble Park Uniting, where Marie and her first husband, Bill MacArthur, worshipped. Bill Trewin was one of 3 Bills who played golf every Thursday. Bill Trewin says, "At the moment, wattles are coming out, prunus and cherry blossom, as well as the beautiful honeysuckle. God is a wonderful artist for those who see the beauty of his handiwork." These were the opening words of a letter the editor of Church and Nation received from the Reverend Bill Trewin on the 4th of August 1988. Later that same day, he was involved in a tragic road accident which, a few weeks later, took his life. The song is built around the theme of beauty and the sweetness of God's creation. As Moses found God in the beauty of the burning bush, so the words of Bill's song encourages us to see the artist painting beautiful scenes before our eyes. So please enjoy the song, and maybe you can close your eyes and create the scenes with the words that the song is bringing to you as the choir sings.
God immortal, reaching to the sky, precious beauty, gift of God on high. Send your sweetness fills the air abroad, it is time to praise the Lord. Sweetness fills the air abroad, it is time to praise the Lord. Honeysuckle spreading far around, sings of beauty yet without a sound. It is a lovely song with one accord, it is time to praise the Lord. Peace that come with one accord, it is time to praise the Lord. Flowering blossom on the cherry tree, beauty through the eye of faith to see. Of the artist bringing faith's reward, it is time to praise the Lord. Beauty bringing faith's reward, it is time to praise the Lord. Become Jesus in the manger stall, and the beauty of God's love for all. By the wise and humble still adored, it is time to praise the Lord. By the humble still adored, it is time to praise